Welcome to episode 16 of our Azores Islands Guide. Today we are exploring Agra do Heroísmo, the capital city of Terceira in Portugal. We will take you for a wander around the streets, so you can appreciate the local architecture. You can also get inspired with a lot of things to see and do. You can look forward to some local hospitality delights. And last but not least, we're gonna visit the Monte Brasil volcano. Subscribe to my channel and let's find out if Agra do Heroísmo is your jam.
And then in the Azores, I was not prepared for the level of beauty that we encountered. There is a level of beauty that I've only experienced 2, maybe 3 times in my life that sort of leaves you physically sick, like ill. It's so beautiful that your body is the weak link. Like you might think that sugar is tasty, but if you were to eat a bag of sugar, you'd probably be sick to your stomach. And I would say this was like so much beauty that it was at an almost pathological level, and more than I think my family could really take in.
Hi guys, good morning. Today we're gonna take you for a little wander around the city. But first we need to say goodbye to our fluffy friend. Today's weather didn't look exactly great.
Oh, look at those clouds.
Wow, it's very cloudy today. Hopefully we catch some sun later.
Supermercado.
You talk Portuguese? And we finally made it to the city. Local school over here. Let's go for a wander. Smells like pee here. First, we bumped into Manor of the Provisioner of Arms. We are located in the old town, and it seemed like every house has its own name. Around every corner were houses with incredible architecture and vibrant colors. Wow, this is so pretty! Angra became a city in 1534. The word do Heroísmo commemorates the island's resistance to invading Spaniards in 1580 to 82. You are looking at the most popular hospitality place at the main square. We highly recommend you to take a break and enjoy some food and beverages. Did you know that Angra was the capital city of the Azores from 1766 to 1832? And you are looking at its city hall. We were so in love with the streets and beautiful decorations. While wandering around, we found typical local souvenirs, and as we got hungry, visited a popular restaurant. Some people get very excited when they see us film. I really hope this video finds him.
Excellent.
Yummy! While picking the desserts, we noticed a very interesting liquor at the bar. The whole trip we wanted to try it, and now was the perfect opportunity. Tastes like a licorice.
I usually don't like licorice, but it's nice and sweet. It kills the licorice taste.
I don't like licorice neither. This is okay. At the end of this gorgeous street, we found Catholic Church Igreja da Misericordia. The first hospital of the Azores was founded here based on an agreement of the Brotherhood of the Holy Spirit, dated March 15, 1492. Next to this gorgeous waterfront church you can find a public beach. The next was Church of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. This church located in the heart of Angra has been a place of worship for more than 3 centuries. After a quick coffee break, we stumbled upon a city garden. Pretty little gardens, and they have a little gazebo again in here. It's cute and pink. You are looking at Duke of Terceira Garden. It's a manufactured garden in a historical center of Angra. One of the classic gardens emblematic of the Romantic period of Portuguese history. It's a regular botanical garden noted for the number of species and endemic and exotic plants transported to the island since the period of Portuguese discoveries. So pretty here. I love it. And includes both tropical and subtropical species. That was the city. Now we're gonna continue to this little island extension, little green spot. You are looking at Fort of Monte Brasil. It is a historic fortress and defensive emplacement located in the civil parish of Sé. The fort was erected after the conquest of Terceira by Spanish military, as a consequence of the events related to the Iberian Union 1580 to 1640. Mount Brasil is a mountain peak, foliage-covered extinct volcano with a marked hiking roads and a fort built in the 16th century. Look at these uncanny roads that lead us to the peak where we could finally enjoy the stunning views of the city and the volcano. I couldn't resist the temptations and I had to have a look at this gorgeous place from above. When we were earlier in the city, we got advised in the shop that today is happening a running with bull in a close-by village. We couldn't miss out on this opportunity and learn something new about the local culture. However, because it was so special for us, we want to dedicate the whole new episode. Subscribe to my channel and let me take you for this crazy ride. Give us thumbs up if you think you learned something new today. Share with your friends and let us know down in the comments which part did you like the most. Thank you so much for watching and joining us. And I will see you again in the next episode. Bye!